Hey, welcome to another episode of Sip and App. Today, I'm sharing an appetizer recipe that's truly fit for a king and borderline addictive. And the best part, it's so easy and fast you can have this ready on the table in less than an hour. I'm also going to show you a few different ways of presenting this dish to your guests, so make sure to stick around till the end. Let's start by making the onion fig jam, which is basically the start of this dish. So even if you're not a meat eater, serve it without the steak and I promise it will still be equally addictive. Put the onion slices in a microwave-safe bowl along with the butter and salt, and microwave for 5 minutes on high. This step will drastically shorten the cooking time on the stove, but if you don't have a microwave, you can skip this process. Transfer the onions to a pan and cook them on medium-low heat until they get a nice dark amber color and caramelized. At this point, turn the heat to low and add the dried figs that have been roughly chopped. I am using these soft and jammy dried figs that are absolutely the best for this recipe, but if you can't find them, you can soak the figs in boiling water for 15 to 20 minutes. After adding the balsamic vinegar and sugar, cook it for a few more minutes until it becomes thick and, well, jammy. Set it aside to cool while we work on the garlic toast. In a small bowl, mix together the grated garlic, parsley, melted butter, and salt and pepper. Then cut the baguette into quarter-inch slices and spread the garlic butter on one side. Set them aside and do not toast these just yet. Now let's prepare the steak. Today I'm using a strip steak, but other tender cuts like ribeye or tenderloin would also be delicious. Depending on the thickness of your steak and how you want to present it, you can either cut it into long half-inch strips like I'm doing here, or leave it as is and season both sides with salt and pepper. If you have any leftover garlic butter, I would smear that on all sides of the steak as well. If you happen to have a grill, go ahead and grill your steak to your preferred doneness. And if you don't have one, cooking it on a really hot cast iron pan like this would be the next best option. I personally like my steaks medium rare, so I'm only grilling these strips for a minute and a half on each side. Take them out and let them rest for 8 to 10 minutes, which is a perfect time to toast those prepared baguette slices in the oven or toaster until it gets a nice golden color. Slice your steak into thin bite-sized pieces and take out your favorite blue cheese. And now it's ready to assemble. As promised, I'm showing here another fun way of presenting this appetizer by cutting the baguette into 1-inch cubes. I'm essentially making giant garlic croutons instead of toast as the base, but the rest of the process is pretty much the same. If you have a different way of presenting, please share it in the comments below, as I'm always looking for more ideas. I hope you will make this incredible yet simple appetizer this weekend and enjoy it with your favorite drink. My personal pairing recommendation would be a dry Pinot Noir, but as I always say, you do you. If you enjoyed this episode, please make sure to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any of the future videos. Thanks for watching. Cheers!